Justice Janet Mulwa directed that the Inspector General of Police Samuel Arachi must appear in person to tell the court why he should not be sentenced to 6 months imprisonment for failing to obey court orders issued to him last week. The court had directed Arachi to arrest TSC Secretary Gabriel Lengoiboni in a case where a judgment was issued last year in favor of retired teachers. In the case, the teachers won a multi-million shilling award in pension and salary arrears payable to them under the 1997 collective bargaining agreement, whose implementation was delayed for over a decade. Many of the teachers retired before receiving the payments. TSC, however, argues they are in talks with the government, adding that it is impossible for one officer to execute the orders. Meanwhile, High Court Judge Isaac Lenaola will on the 10th of this month rule on an objection raised by Communications Authority of Kenya, CAK. The Attorney General, through lawyer Mwangi Njoroge, asked Judge Lenaola to dismiss the petition by human rights activist Tukia Omutata, who wants the court to compel the three media houses to switch on their televisions. Omutata says CAK has infringed the rights of the viewers. However, lawyer Wambua Kilonzo submitted that issues raised by Omutata were dealt by the Supreme Court, adding that the High Court has no jurisdiction to revisit a case that has already been ruled on. Also, Machakos Senator Johnson Muthama told the court that Ambassador Olga Fonseca had confided in him that her life was in danger before she died. Muthama was testifying as the owner of a premise which houses the embassy. In the case, former Venezuela Deputy Ambassador Duit Sagare is facing murder charges. Finally, at Makadara Law Courts, Manidas Singh was charged with stealing 5.6 million shillings from Javier Enterprises. The employee of the firm in Nairobi's industrial area is accused of stealing the motor vehicle spare parts valued at 5.6 million shillings from his employer, which he later sold. The case will be heard in July.